Kirtute lalpai swamingin chebe ule tungkar chunge UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar thlirin nilongai thlang u February ni somni pasari atanga March ni khat pathiani manghian UPC Northeast India Noya District te chuan District Conference an manga General Shwai tu ten hetiangin an manpui General Superintendent Reverend Almal Somasai lo chuan North Mizoram District ten Chaltlang biala anneya amanpuya Lunglei District te chuan District Conference Lunglei District Headquarters biak in Chan Maria an manga General Secretary Reverend R Larinsang an manpuya Barak District ten Balarama mangmekin General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzaman amanpui bok General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoya chuan North Bengal and Sikkim Missions Field Conference amanpuya General Sunday School Director Reverend R Laiching Puya chuan Darlon Bial Sunday School Seminar Kam Revival Program Speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei bok District Shangshang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thak chunjomila Lunglei District rawngbawlna chanchin February ni somni pasari ni lai thotan zana tangkhan tharawa omra galatia bunga chang somparukti thupuya mangin Lunglei District UPC Conference voisom nga pangana chu headquarters local biak in Chan Marichia hanmekani a Reverend R Lalrosang a former district superintendent chuan hein khompui hi ahong hein khompui hi General Superintendent IO in General Secretary Reverend R Larinsang a chuan manpui February ni somni pariat zirtop ni khan District Sunday School Department chuan headquarters back in a rorel na anneya District PYD chuan District Conference Hall a rorel na hi annei bok Tim February ni somni pakwa inrin ni khan Kohhran pui chuan back in a rorel na annei ve boka District Kohhran pui shwai tu thanna nei chunjom ani bokani hein khompui a hian General Secretary Reverend R Larinsanga na thial bel to Pastor Reverend VL Mwaka Chongte bel to Pastor Reverend B Kamlianale Headquarters bel to Pastor Reverend Simping Thanfale ten thusoi rawngbawlna anneya Lunglei District PYD Choir Baka Haulong bel PYD Luangmal PYD Headquarters bel PYD Rasiveng bel PYD le Pukpui bel PYD Zaipolten Zain rawngbawlna anneya nga malzai thiam taktak anzai boka March ni khat pathiani zanthlang in khompui hi man ani ang District PYD Board in BLPYD Conference asyang anay turten arwal tlangin ni somni pakhat atang ni somni pathum February somni chungin mangse alauti angin BLPYD Conference chu arwal tlangin man ani a hetiang hian bial shangshangten in khompui an mandan report ani Headquarters BL Electric Biak in a BLPYD in khompui voice somli pakhat na hi nei ani a Speaker atan cheng pui home missionary Evangelist Simon Amar chu an mang Lim takin hun an manga February ni somni pali thotan zan thlengkhan hun an mang chunjom ani anro rel tlang puite section PYD in kaishwaina dan siam thatte approve ani section Huapin Revival Crusade ne ini se BLPYD in kumin chunga Bible Church chhuakten hena loman pek ni se Luangmal bial chuan lunglon zai veng biagena in khompui voi somni pakhat na hi an manga Speaker atan bel to Pastor Reverend Lalbiak dikacho te chu mangin Thupuyatan tharawa omrau galatia bunga chang somparuk chu man ani a anro rel langsar zualte thule ommatan kumtin missionary pakhat chom ni se kumin chungin hoarding board siam ni se tirkauti thilti atringin Bible ral chan bwa sai ni se bial huapin advance Christmas man ni se Theiret bial chuan zobok veng thar biagina conference voice somni pasari na hian manga Speaker atan thingsai bial to Pastor H Lalom sanga chuman ani a thupuyatan Krista tana sengkhom ti chuman ani Lunglei District PYD Choir te chuan February ni somni pathum pathiani zinga zain rawngbawlna annei bok anro rel tlang puite Pastor Quarters ti changtlun na tura malak target tlang masalo man siam Bial chunga PYD member Boral anomin Bial chung PYD member 10 introy omchin ni se Kumin chungin missionary pakhat chom ve ni se Kumin chungin bial chung local into kwal ni se Bial huapin bial PYD 10 ril hongai te pwala bethel nei na kumbial conference munatan theiriat local ani ang Rasiveng bial chuan veng hlun biagena an bial PYD in khompui voice somthum paruk na hi anneya Speaker shan nei lovin bial shwai tu te baka District PYD shwai tu ten thuan in soi chok ani anro re langsar zualte missionary thatin cheng sang khata support Pastor quarter sami dining table chei thatle dining chair parukda Bible ral chan Rome le Corinthon khatna le thon hina mangin nei ni se conference rotation a kalveto ni se conference dol tu puina cheng sing khat ni to se puk pui bial chuan venglai local biak ina puk pui bial in khom pui voi som thum panga na hi nei ani a speaker atan Reverend R la rosang a former district superintendent chupman ani a thu pui atan harna dikti chupman ani anro rel tlang puite kumsang ni som hi pakhada missionary pani cheng sing hi sangli in support le ni se kumsang ni som hi hiam bial sport kam revival ne ni se kumsang ni som hi hiam bial PYD mingin CEC school chanpui ni se BLPYD member Bible Church Fakti Loman Pek le ni se BLPYD mingin pastor quarters center table da ni se khompui dol tu chanpui na cheng sing ni to se ti te ani bia chang te hian district athen tur thupoi mo tak tak an ngai to abok heng bel in khompui mangte hi district PYD shwai tu te chuan mun changa in sem darin an man pui ani February ni somni pariat zirtop zana tangkhan simtui pui district LED conference boy somli palina chu sanga wana nei ani a he hun man pui tur hian lungle district LED president unaw nu leram lomi sailo Bible woman le district LED vice president unaw nu H biak engite baka bia shwai tu chen khatenen mi pariat an kala general LED ro relin district shangte in palaiton ni se alauti bo zuina atan lungle district LED shwai tu de hian simtui pui district LED conference an man pui ani February ni somni pasari atangani khat March chungkhan hawlong bel PYD le LED joint conference chu hawlong lam tram thum lokala nei ani a ro relang sar zualte LED local shwai tu hlun choi moina bial minga pek ni se Northeast India chunga missionary te polin di khatong trai sakna hun man ni se fellowship kam seminar bot sai target petlang masalo man siam PYD ro relte BLPYD sport meet nei sulfur training bot sai blood donation camp bot sai district le section target lang masalo man siam bel chung local in to ton ni se project nei make and non ani a ampli speaker le ni se ti ani BLPYD Zaipol Polin local tinin sumtuak fe chwana nei ni se chimtui pui district rongbawlna chanchin February ni somni pariat atanga March ni khat chung hian chimtui pui district LED conference avoi somli palina sangawan local huna man mek ani he conference a hian evangelist Robert B Lalnunsia mati chu home missionary chu speaker ta man ani a kan thlenchin atang khan ma ison zelang uti thubuya an mang ani College Bank local sia hate chuan February ni somni panga pathiani khan kumsom thum pariat lai chol mi alava local chairman launi to evangelist V John chu choi moina citation an hlan hemi rol hian piman kungi Bible woman chu kumlamte ala upat to awangin chol adila hemini bok hian ro pui taka choi moina nen thla ani tin hemini hian kaushantan rongbol tu lak tharte mi pathum te nem he na le tongtrai sakna hun an mangal bok rongbol tu lak tharte rongbol tu mchiadung rongbol tu si sangmong rongbol tu vanalomate anni February ni somni pani inrin ni khan sangaw tu local sangaw biala BLPYD malangna in leadership training nei ani he huna ham pastor ke Kohhran moya sectional pastor le rongbol tu el khwang pari te chu resource person atan an manga zona le chana hun hlok thak tak an mangbok February ni somni pathum pathiani khan simtui pui district chunga pensioner union in Ruatharna nei ani a shwai tu atana ruatte Chairman Reverend C Valley Secretary Reverend H C Mangliana Treasurer Reverend Thanchunga Sailo Longtlai West District rongbawlna chanchin Bachwam Puibel Missions Department boss in February ni somni pakhata tang ni somni pathum chung khan saibo khwa crusade an boss ya speaker tam pastor B Lalbiak chunga man ani hemuna hian mall in khom boss in Bachwam Puibel chung local shangshang atangin mi thenem tak ankal khomin he crusade hi an man pui ani district shwai tu te pathiani program district superintendent Reverend R Ramthajola district headquarters Kaushana District Secretary Pastor Lel Somliana Sailo Mam Pui Lokala District Missions Director Reverend F Lalbiak Thwama Cha Mari Kaushana North Mizoram District rongbawlna chanchin North Mizoram District in Kumsomsari Atlina Platinum Jubilee Lomna Program February ni som pariat chun le zana tong headquarters biak in tui khwat lang ani tuang taka mang chavin February ni som ni panga thole ni khan khar ani tarlan to angin he platinum jubilee lomna program hi Mizoram UPC adin ni February ni som pariat khan man tan ani a biak in kota biak in pon program nei masa in Reverend Kelal Dusanga organizing chairman in ka shwaya Jubilee Choir 10 Jubilee honna hla sa in Jubilee Lungphum UPC North East India General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailawin aneya Reverend Lalmal Soma hian Jubilee thil tumlai mu chu in ngai damna ani ti in North Mizoram District chu thiang himna konga te sumle pai the chwa konga te le ramlangna rawngbawlna a thenem ngai zwal turin afuya athu soya Mizoram Pentecostal te bullo intan dan tar langin North Mizoram District to North East India Unit Tana Mother Church District tia Kohhran chu thil om tak ani ti asoibok heminu hiam platinum jubilee darvoi somsari wagni in North East India hwa parong bol tu poimo le chalang tak tak North Mizoram District Shwai 2 District Department Shwai 2 le pensioner tem platinum jubilee dar hi anwa ani Darvok zo abyak in chung program manchun zomin Reverend Sharpuya District Secretary in program ka shwaya Platinum Jubilee souvenir to Reverend Zongming Thanzama UPC North East India General Treasurer Chuan Tlangzarin Platinum Jubilee Mage Hair Reverend Silal Mapuya former District Superintendent Kolasip Dia Konbial Mek tu Chuan Achia District Choir le General Choir te Anzai Baka Tu Chale Tu Soi Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent Reverend R. Larinsanga General Secretary Reverend C. Lianchama former District Superintendent Nena Changte Ingai Thak Aniboka Headquarters Kohhran Church Board Secretary UPC Nunmoy Henry North Mizoram District chanchin le Headquarters Kohhran chanchin asoi ngai nom tak ngai thak anibok Jubilee lomna hian Pentecost zaimi masa unaw nularin omile unaw nulal chan himiral te ten zain fakhla ansa a Kohhran hoten an hutle a tlaya Jubilee lomna right kil ho ani Platinum Jubilee man program hi February ni som pakwani lai zana tang khan department naita man chunjom ni in district PYD in bul antana February ni som pakwa zana LED February ni som ni zirtop zana district Sunday school department February ni som ni panhi zana district missions department 10 an mani pol program an manga February ni som ni pathuma tangani som ni panga zanthling Platinum Jubilee organizing in program lale in rongbol tukal masate polin hun mangin February ni som ni panga thole jangha North Mizoram District in Platinum Jubilee athen lomna program chu khar anita ani Jubilee kharna inkhom hi Jubilee organizing chairman Reverend Kelal Dusangna Kaishwaya Chomhunbial LED Zaipol District PYD Choir General PYD Choir Headquarters Bial LED Zaipol Baka Malzainung taka fakhla sakte ngai thagani a thucha ngai nom takta former General Superintendent Reverend VLD Kasailo North East India UPC General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo le North Mizoram District Secretary Reverend Sharpuya ten hunpek ani angin ansoya pathian thushil tu Reverend C Lian Chaman hena tungin Jubilee pola thucha ropui tak lung oina nenal pa rongbol ti thu asoi ngai thang ni in Pentecost rongbol tu te hian kan rongbol pui te har san na siam hi ihlawang u ati ani Jubilee lomna inkhom kharzana hiam pathian fakna la pui zai pol zai tangtele mal som tong traina atangte a sa chunjomin hlimle ui tak chungin North Mizoram Platinum Jubilee lomna chu khar anita ani North Mizoram District Conference avoisom sari na Platinum Jubilee Conference to February ni somni pasari ninga jana tangkhang Culture Center Bongkon Sauda mantan ani Conference supuya pathian thu hi anungani Hebrai bungli chang som pani manni in Platinum Jubilee Conference Tanzan hian Reverend P Chunga former General Superintendent Chuan Honna aneya Jubilee May Reverend K Satin Velana Deadbok Conference chung hian rongbol tu pathian mi man tak tak Reverend R.C. Puya Reverend C. Laramwana Reverend C. Lian Chama Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo North East India UPC General Superintendent Reverend Kelal Dusanga North Mizoram Treasurer le Reverend Laltuanga North Mizoram District Superintendent ten pathian thucha ansoya heng thushil tu de hian conference thupui pathian thu hi anungani ti chu thupui thentet kongamin shwai tu ani chandamna ani nunkong shwai tu atan alocal le na min shiat tir tu ani ti le chakna le thil ti theina ani ti te mangin pathian thu an soidon ani February ni somni pariat zirtom ni chuma dar som batang dar som pani chung Kohhran puile department changchang baka zirna inle camping center report te ngai thak ni in chonu dar khadatonga darli district Sunday school department rural nei ani ang February ni somni pakwa inrin ni dar somatanga darli thleng conference rural nei tur ni in Reverend Laltuanga district superintendent in rural akai shwayang North Mizoram district conference voice sari na hi karthar lama kim changjokin pennet chanchin thara ngai thak thei kan tumdon ani Aizawl East district rongbawlna chanchin ngai thavele ila Aizawl East district conference voice somni parukna atan inbuat saina pei thokhat ani district conference zemabok belten zemabok vengpui biakena anthlengdona inbuat saina po chaktaka kalpui ni in tuna hian inkhom pui thlengtur hian anin pei thokhat to ani Tarlan to angin kumina hen district PYD in Ashana conference an nei kum ani awangin district conference an betel dona March ni rukzir tomnia district Sunday school nen Ashanin rural inkhom an neyang Rohman na angchuan district PYD hian zemabok vengpui biakina rural na an neyanga district Sunday school hian zemabok vengpui Sunday school hola rural na an nei thungang Kumin Aizawl East district inkhom pui hian thupui shan pa nei lovin Mishang shang te hne ring into soi ngai thak tur ni in zirtop zana inkhom hi PYD te pwala da ni in heta hian district PYD baka sub committee shang shang ten longman sem tur an nei te sem ani anga inwin ni zana Sunday school department ten choi moina le longman sem na hun an hmang bokang pathiani zana Kohhran puin longman sem tur an nei te sem ani dom bok ani inkhom pu hi Reverend VLD Kasailo former general superintendent chuan hlan na nei in inwin niya Kohhran puin rural na anei don bok ani inkhom apiang in nimal baka zai pol ten hen tugin fakla ngai thak tur ni in pathiani chunhua sacrament rongbawlna om don bok ani February ni somni panhi inwin ni leng khan champhai Bethel Church board member ten in twai tharna hun an mang he huna hen upati ti turle nundan tur de baka thilpui mo tak ngai thak ni in hlok takin hun an mang ani Beldu pastor len mangai oma parte ju resource person atan an mang ani Bethel Kohhran te bukhian February ni somni pathum pathiani chanu khan Kohhran chung ko dina nule pa berte inkhom kim hun mangin nule pa mo phurna shang te ngai thak ani boka lok thak anti injong chang thak anti le ani Beldu pastor len mangai oma parte ju he huna hian thu soina hun amang ani February ni somni pakhat atangani somni pathum chung khan champhai bial karot Kohhran aloi twal upalal thengle na de chung kwa chan thuthung choi moina tui khwa nein tharau boruak nuam le hlim om tak nen hun an mang ani he huna hian mi shang hne na tringin thu cha ngai thak ni in zirtop zane pathiani zana evangelist v kam nei thangan thu cha soin inrini chhune pathiani chomha evangelist hk len mangaya inrini zana evangelist h malsom thanga pathiani chunhua evangelist f zirlian ten hne na tringin thu cha ngai thak ani February ni somni panhi atangani somni pathum mangkhan singsi bial Kohhran te chuan maite Kohhran keifang bial to infection program him takin an mang he huna hian singsi bial atang hian mi za chuang kalin him takin hun an manga bial chung upatele bial du pastor Reverend PB chong ten lian ten hen ringin pathian thu cha ngai thak thin ani pathian tharau thiang him ompuin hnuai a hun him om tak man ni in inkhom piang hem beram no choi moin hla ne lalpa choi moin him taka hun man ani a bial chung zai thiam de baka maite Kohhran zai mi te hne tringin fakna hla moi takle nung takin ngai thak thin ani bok maite Kohhran te hi kumsang he som paru ka tang khan singsi biala tringin keifang biala indangin inmu khomnal hun hlim omle hlu tak mangin February ni somni pali thorchan ni khan khamlo takle ui tak chungin pathian tharau thiang hlim ompuin hnuaya an chiak ta ani ngopo bial conference in bial chunga Kohhran tina financial campaign nei ni se ati bo zuin bial chung rongbol tu tirkaule upatele bial du pastor ke wanal himpui hawin rongbawlna February ni somni pathum pathian ni khan bial chung Kohhran chen khata financial campaign nei ani a March ni khat pathian ni manghian Kohhran chen khata financial campaign hi nei le tum ani February ni somni pakhat zirtop zan khan district superintendent quarters a Aizawl East district PYD executive meeting nei ani he huni Reverend R Laltan Kima president chuan kai shwain Reverend Biak Sangzwala district secretary in hunser amang ani he huna hian thupui mo tak ngai tu ani in Kohhran pui conference Rural district PYD in rural na hun anei tur thirlok na te baka March ni som pani atangani som panga chunga Myanmar general conference ta han hun anei tura Pentecostal choir tenen somna an huangin kalnge ni se anti baka PYD in khom thupui zir tur chungcha ngai tu in athe anga tampri ni se antibok ani district PYD executive meeting a hian OBT antel kimbaka district kaushan pui shrai tu te pu in antel pui bok ani district shrai tu te program Reverend Osanga Colony district superintendent Reverend Biak Sang Zola district secretary le Reverend Danzama missions director te chuan North Vanlai Phaibial headquarters kaushan ten ambek in sakthar February ni somni pakwai in rinia honna anneya telpuin Reverend Osanga Colony district superintendent hian back in honna hi aneya pathiani zantheng alomna program an manna an telpui chhunjom don ani ole khatizung khatun chumatana UPC North East India kaushan rongbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak haule theite ni e